5 minus 5 gives us 0. And again, 6 minus 6 gives us 0. And 0 times 0 is equal to just 0. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, which is PEMDAS, so here P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, A and S stands for addition and subtraction. So according to this rule, the first thing to solve is parentheses. And then after we solve all the parentheses, we are allowed to move to exponent. And the second thing to solve is exponent. And then after we solve all the exponent, we are allowed to move to multiplication and division. And multiplication and division is the third thing to solve, right? So finally, after we solve multiplication or division, we have to move to the last operation, which is addition and subtraction. According to this rule, if we solve subtraction before multiplication, that is wrong. So let's go back into our problem. So here we have 5 minus 5 times 6 minus 6. We have a multiplication and subtraction. And like we discussed, the first thing to solve is parentheses and then exponent, then multiplication, right? So we don't have parentheses, we don't have exponent, but we have multiplication, right? And multiplication should be solved before subtraction, right? So 5 times 6 is the first thing to solve, and 5 times 6 is 30. And 5 minus 30 minus 6 is going to be the next equation. And 5 minus 30 gives us negative 25. And negative 25 minus 6 is equal to negative 31. So the final answer to this question is negative 31.